Hi, in this video I am going to show you how to create disk partition in your Windows machine, so let's get started. Now open your File Explorer. And right-click on this PC. In this, navigate to Manage. In that, click on Disk Management. Select the disk which you want to divide. Right-click on it, and select Shrink Volume. Enter your storage space you want to split. Enter your value in megabyte. For in shortcut 1, 024 MB is equal to 1 GB, so calculate according to that. Example, I am dividing 1 GB. Then, the space is created, but it is in unlocated. To locate this, right-click in that and hit New Simple Volume. Click on Next. That's it, you have successfully created your disk partition. If you enjoyed this video, consider subscribing for more. And hit the like button if you found this helpful. And let me know what you thought in the comments below.